Top-tier Volkswagen brake repair, expert solutions in Bellevue, WA. Brake inspection. Thorough assessment to diagnose brake issues and determine necessary repairs for your Volkswagen. Brake pad replacement. Expert installation of genuine Volkswagen brake pads to ensure optimal stopping power and longevity. Rotor resurfacing or replacement. Precision machining or replacement of brake rotors to maintain braking performance. Brake fluid flush. Complete fluid exchange to remove contaminants and maintain brake system efficiency and reliability. Brake caliper service. Inspection and service to ensure proper functioning and longevity of brake calipers. Brake line inspection. Evaluation of brake lines for leaks, wear, or damage to maintain safe braking performance. Anti-lock brake system, ABS, service. Diagnosis and repair of ABS components to ensure effective operation. Brake system bleeding. Proper bleeding of brake system to remove air and maintain optimal brake pedal feel. Brake performance testing. Verification of braking effectiveness and adjustments as needed for safety and reliability. Genuine parts. Use of authentic Volkswagen parts for reliability, performance, and warranty compliance. Advanced equipment. State-of-the-art tools and diagnostics for precise brake repairs and maintenance. Timely service. Efficient scheduling to minimize downtime and get you back on the road quickly. Customer satisfaction. Dedicated to exceeding expectations with attentive service and dependable brake repairs in Bellevue, Washington.